Hey, what's up you guys? It's Judy here with my Life as Kikay and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be creating a makeup look inspired by Ariana Grande and Social House's brand new official music video called Boyfriend. On this channel, I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to join the Kikay family, and if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. Like I said before, I'm going to be recreating this makeup look that was starred in Ariana Grande's and Social House's brand new official music video called Boyfriend. Now, let's talk about the hair situation that's going on right now. Obviously, her hair in the video is brunette. My hair at the moment is red, and I had a red wig which went together really well with my already dyed hair color, and I don't have a brunette wig. So I'm working with what I can, with what I've got at the moment. But I thought the big hair and high ponytail for an Ariana Grande inspired makeup look was only appropriate. So I'm just gonna sit here and do my absolute best to recreate this makeup look right here from the music video. And for this video, I'm going to be editing it in an Instagram video type of style. So sit back, relax, enjoy the non-copyright music. If I could, I would play the actual music video for you guys, but I ain't trying to get demonetized here. Before I get straight into this video, if you do enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Make sure you ring that notification bell, slap it, hit it, punch it, knock on the door, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of the 3 videos that I put out every single week. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are Life as Kikay. Now let's get straight into this video. it for this little video. Well, I hope it was short. I hope it wasn't too long and too boring. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this makeup look, if you think that I recreated the makeup look itself. I know the hair is nothing even close to being the same as what's in the music video, but this is the color of my hair at the moment, and this is the ponytail I had that matched my hair. So at least I got the high Ariana Grande, full-on Ariana Grande hair thing going on, don't I? Anyway, let me know if you enjoyed this video in the comments down below. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns, feel free to leave them there as well, and I will get back to you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Be sure to ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of the 3 videos that I put out every single week. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are lifeaskikay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for being here. Let me know if there are any other music video makeup looks that you would like me to try and recreate, and I will take them into consideration. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I had some really hot soup and I burned my tongue. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Judy here with my life as Judy. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Judy. I haven't had hair this long since I was 16. For an Ariana Grande inspired make a look.